Mhm. Imagine waking up one day and discovering that the water you've been drinking for decades, the same water you used to cook for your family, is silently poisoning you. This is not science fiction. This is the reality for over 350,000 people in Veneto, Italy, and tens of millions globally. The reason? PFAS. PFAS are toxic chemicals used by industries for producing everyday products, like Teflon, waterproof clothing, even the kiwi jacket we use in a rainy day. And they are used because of their properties. They are resistant to water, to heat. But what makes them valuable for the market also makes them dangerous. They are called forever chemicals because they remain in the environment and in our bodies. And these are links to health risks, such as cancer and developmental issues in children. But why, after so many years, are we still exposed to this risk? Because for decades, the only method to detect PFAS is through laboratory testing, which works, but is slow, complex, and expensive. And without proper information, we cannot act, so the exposure continues. In fact, next year, a new European regulation will require all water suppliers to monitor PFAS, but with the current process, it's simply not feasible. We need fast information, simple, to start taking action and prevention.
We are Purifas. We are developing a biosensor that's able to detect PFAS instantly and on site. No transportation, no waiting. You just put a drop of water on our biosensor stick, then put the stick into our portable device, and instantly you can see if PFAS is present and in what concentration. Purifas operates with B2B business model. Our direct target are water companies who are direct target of the upcoming EU regulation for more frequent PFAS monitoring. Not only, but also industries who use PFAS in their production, such as textile and food packaging. In addition to industries who need high quality of water, such as that of biological agriculture. The global market of PFAS testing is approximated to be about 200 million euros, of which 100 million euros is concentrated in the European Union and 8 million euros in the Italian market. This market is expected to grow by at least 30% with the upcoming EU regulation. Also, future market report project this growth to the year 2040 because PFAS contamination is persistent and testing and monitoring is needed for decades. Monitoring is not a short-term need. It's a long-term necessity. There are other biosensor development in US and Canada, but none of them are directly targeted to meet the upcoming EU regulations. Purifas aims to be pioneers in meeting this regulation need in the European Union.
Our team is multidisciplinary. We have expertise in sales, B2B, biotechnology, science, psychology, and engineering. So far, we validated the market need. We went to the field. We talked with agricultural organizations. We talked with water suppliers like Grupo Veritas, even startups from Venice like Algescope, who needs our biosensor to test the filtration system of PFAS. We also did real workshops in Venice, in Padova, because we want to also hear about the people, what knows about PFAS and what they want, to make PFAS not only technically possible, but also socially effective. We participated in accelerations programs, and we also started to design our roadmap for research and development of the biosensor with the University of Venice, Ca' Foscari, and University of Padova. With this, we will patent the process of detection and start the industrialization. We are ready to start the work. Regulations are becoming stricter and stricter. Companies need tools to comply. Governments need tools to regulate. And people, we all need information to start prevention and action. We truly believe that with our solution, which is scalable, with a huge market opportunity, and with impactful impact, we can collaborate both with a PFAS-free future. We are Purifas, detecting the problem, but also driving the solution. Okay. Oh, dear.
PFAS is a real problem in the world. You're going to help people identify if it's in their drinking water. And I'm not sure how your client, being the manufacturer, would want you to, why would they want to help you with your product? Because if they're doing something bad, they don't really want people to know it. And I'm just wondering, once you realize you have PFAS in your water, what then happens?
The fact is that we are anticipating the market, meaning that the regulation, the upcoming EU regulation, are going to ask all the companies, water suppliers first, starting by the 2026, but also other companies using PFAS, starting from 2028, to actually report in their ESG report about the PFAS. So that's the thing, is that like maybe they want to hide the PFAS emission, but they're going to need anyway to report about it. And they're trying to find the most efficient way in order to save the resources in terms of time, in terms of money. And we are offering that option to meet their need.
I would like something that's why we already did workshops and networking, because one PFAS is detected, we also want to connect, for example, if they need research with the university or with other startups for remediation, maybe they need replace PFAS, so we want to also connect. We already connected with more than 35 stakeholders.
So before you explained it, you have competitors, but so far they are either North American, right?
From
And
Canada and USA.
North America. And so are their technologies similar to yours? Just it's a matter of law or technology that make you a competitive advantage?
Okay, thanks for the question. Actually, the technology of our competitors is slightly different. The problem of their technology is the sensibility. So the limit of detection of their technology is not in compliance with EU regulatory and EU laws. This is the matter. And our technology provides us a limit of detection that is well below the European limits.
So your business model is to license a patent for detect the PFAS on water for big corporation, or also for agricultural things, or you also are like renting a tool to detect the PFAS? Yeah. So your business model is to patent the process and then licensing to the corporation for detecting the PFAS and gain royalty from this, or you are selling a tool,
We
or
are,
both?
yes, we are developing the technology. We will patent the process of detection and also in the manufacturing of the biosensor. So our revenue will be the selling of this product, the biosensor.